All right, Maximus analysis here for April 15th, right at the close, looking at the ES, still approaching this this pretty much this outbreak level or break level that I was talking about yesterday, saying we wanted to close high intraday, and I would willing to wait. And again, you'll see why. Again, if it breaks above these highs tomorrow, again, it will be a great thing. You could put your stop either below here or below this pivot and see if it can run up. But right now, we just kind of have to see what's going on because it's fading a little bit, but nothing too bad. Again, the bias has to be to the bull side. There is no way that you could say that it's bearish right now. Again, you're not seeing the full follow through that we really wanted, and we definitely want it to definitely hold at least this 43.85 level. And then we look at the ES. We wanted to hold this 2100 level and continue higher. A break of like the 74.5, excuse me, this 2075 level is definitely something that we kind of, because that would be going back into the sell signal that was here and that got negated based on this close. The YM, again, it's kind of going to be a little bit unbalanced, but again, you can see that it has that same type of feel. We want to see it break up and continue to the upside. And the small cap is looking pretty well today, but again, it's still kind of fading. And if you look at, let's say, a 15-minute into the close, you can see that it's fading a little bit into the close. The market just closed. So again, we'll see how this one plays. And again, don't look at just a shooting star. Again, it's at a previous high, but don't look at this and say, listen, it has to roll. You would want to at least a break of this low, and your stop would be here. That is it. Okay, and it would say, I'm guessing, the top, and there will be a lot better patterns per se. What it should be cautious again is Apple has not really shown much. It's just getting really tight. So we have these two scenarios that I pointed out yesterday that need to unfold. Okay, we want to break up, come down, come back up. We want to break down, come back up. But right now, don't pick and guess, because right now you've been holding sideways for months. Well, about a month. Let me not say months, but so month back is around here. So again, it's been just sideways, higher lows, lower highs. Just needs to consolidate and give you something. Amazon's looking good. Again, it's back in an overbought territory. So again, I would be taking profits off, especially if you bought around here. It's the buy signal right there. We do have major support at that 369.82 area that was right around here. And again, you're coming to new highs. If we want to see these highs, the next target I would say would be around 394. Again, if it could continue to the upside, again, I don't play breakouts, so you should be in. BABA, again, it's just sideways. I would not be looking at here. Again, for BABA, I would look at something above that 87.44 area. Around here, 87.44 is around this marker right here. I would look at that at least to say, okay, I need it to pop up a little bit. Google fought back really well. It was down about $5, but again, it faded down a little bit. So again, I would just be rolling my stop to break even if you were on the short side. Okay, I made a mistake and thought that earnings was overnight, but again, I'll post it out there just because I don't want anybody to get caught with their pants down if it was holding in, saying, oh, I'm holding for a swing. But I think it's the 23rd, and I was corrected, and I appreciate the correction. We are at support for Google, which is around this 534 area. So again, that needs to hold, or we are going to look again. If that breaks down flush, we're definitely going to be seeing back to that 491 area. But again, it just needs to hold. We had GoPro kind of gave some pop up, but again, it's faded. It faded into the low. And again, I might have definitely got stopped out if I took the short here. I would have probably got stopped out because it's actually bucking up against resistance I have here now. So, but it would have sliced it. I'm not going to lie. The resistance is 46.12, and it's right in the midst of it right now. So again, you could wait for a break here, see if it closes down below, because I do have a turn time still around this area that is working out pretty well. Price line actually into the close faded down again. I want some more price action moving up. This kind of reminds me of the Apple type of movement where you're just like, again, you can't say that you would be bearish, but again, just give me something with some volume, because I don't know if they're selling into this or not. And again, you have Tesla. that is still looking good. Again, if it breaks above, and I wanted to hold this 205.33 area, if it holds that and breaks above it, again, I would be looking for a break above, not just this, and this ended up being the high. It broke it by 10 cents. So again, whatever. But I would love for it to get back above this level and continue to the upside. The target would be at least 225.35 for a target on that if you're looking for a quick trade. Again, we're still we have to go back and look, and again, we're still kind of in that no man's land. They're securing the 2100 area, which is great, but again, we're still sideways. But again, this is more positive sign, but we have to see, again, follow through. The volume has increased, which we have down here, so this looks a lot better. So we'll see if they're going to squeeze it up going into the end of April. So take care.